Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Amar Classes and wish you a very happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to you and your family. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. So celebrate this Diwali and enjoy this festival. So in this video, we will study the topic what is the difference between orthogonal metal cutting and oblique metal cutting. So these two figures I had drawn here to better understand the difference between orthogonal metal cutting and oblique metal cutting. So in orthogonal metal cutting, what is the first point? Look here. This is the cutting edge of the tool and this is the cutting velocity. So here they both are perpendicular to each other. So first point is cutting edge is perpendicular to the cutting velocity. But in oblique metal cutting, this is the cutting edge and this is the cutting velocity. They are not perpendicular to each other. So this is the first point. Second point is chip flow with chip velocity in a direction perpendicular to the cutting edge. This is the second point. But here the chip flow with chip velocity is not in a direction perpendicular to the cutting edge. That means chip will flow in a direction perpendicular to the cutting edge. This is the second point. But in oblique metal cutting, chip flow in a direction not perpendicular to the cutting edge. And third point is cutting force act along two directions, x direction, y direction. But here cutting force act along three directions, x, y and z. Look here, this is the x and this is the y. So fx and fy. But here cutting force act along three directions. This is the fx, fy and fz. Okay, this is in oblique metal cutting. And fourth point, this is the last point. Look here, cutting edge is wider than the width of the workpiece and also width of the workpiece is much greater than the depth of cut. Okay. So these are the 4 points. This is very important and that will differentiate between orthogonal metal cutting and oblique metal cutting. One thing is note down, slotting, broaching, they are also like orthogonal metal cutting in which cutting edge is perpendicular to cutting velocity, but problem is that one thing, chip will flow in any direction. Shaping, plotting, slotting and broaching, they are also like orthogonal metal cutting in which they both are perpendicular but chip will flow in any direction. That means in an oblique metal cutting, chip will flow in any direction. So these are the points. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching my video Amar Classes, and please press the bell icon button to get the notification of my video. Thank you so much.